Hi, I'm Alexander, and today it's time for my colour of the month. So you can see here what we have is this amazing style. First off, yes, you've guessed it, it's Glen, the amazing Glen in the Amore Collection. Okay, so let's take a little look at the colour. So the colour itself is cherry brown R. So what have we got? So let's go backwards. R. R stands for the root. So we've got a lovely root tone here, bit darker, bit cooler than the mid-length. What is the mid-length? Well, the mid-length is the brown. Okay, so the mid-tone and the end tones is the brown. And where is the cherry? Well, we've got a lot of little cherry highlights and lowlights running throughout the whole shade. So we've got the root, we've got the brown, and we've got the cherry, hence cherry brown R. I love this colour. She's very, very fun, very, very fashionable. For those people that love a brown colour but want something a bit of pop of red or a bit of pop of fun, it's a really nice way of experimenting with the redder tones without becoming a redhead. Okay, if they didn't want to go that far and go change your complete tone profile, then this is a really, really nice way to dip your toe in the water. So because of that, this is my colour of the month. This is Cherry Brown R.